Good day, I'm Mukhtar Junaid, lead graphic designer at Mutech Design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that. So to get your notification, you have to subscribe so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Today we'll be talking about the perspective tool on PixelLab. So this how to use the perspective tool. We use the perspective tool on texts and shapes, and other elements. Now I've imported a shape. I'll be giving it a color green. Now these are perspective tool. It has a lot of advantage. If you are good at what you do, then you own it. So click on this, on the grid. I love using grid. Then only the magnet tool. Then let's bring it to the center. Okay, we've on the perspective tool, so you just navigate through. So bring it. So I want to make a curved shape from this shape. So we do it like this. So we can distort the shape using the perspective tool. Now can you see the outcome of our rectangle? Our rectangle has been changed to a slant shape, which can be used on a slant design. For instance, if you are working on a slant design and you don't want to use a perfect rectangle, so with your perspective tool you can achieve that. So I did one of a design using this perspective tool, not quite long, and let's just give this another color. Yep, for instance, let me just add a text. Then we have graphic design. Then we'll give it a color. The color will be white. Then you check the rotation degree. We have -4. Then we'll do that to this text also, -4. So having done that, give this, let's shift this down a bit, give this a very nice font. So doing that, you can see that it's still not aligning with the shape. Then afterwards we give it an italic shape. Okay, an italic style. Yeah, so as you can see, our design, the text, the shape are in harmony. As you know, the meaning of harmony, that is all the elements on your design is working together and in good relationship. So graphic design training. So with this simple sheet, you can work on a very fantastic design within minutes. Can you see? We've achieved this within minutes. Graphic design training, as you can see. Now using our perspective tools on what do we call it, on text. So you can also use the perspective tools on text. Let's return this to the normal shape, then this also. So the perspective tool, you can see, so you on this to see the way the design is going. For instance, if the design I'm working demands a wall, something like this, so it's something I can, or you can, I'm sure you've seen designs that will be on the floor like this. It says start. Let me change the text to, for instance, start. Then the perspective tool, then we have it here. You see, start. So let me import a road or something like that. I'm coming. So this a road png, as you can see, to the back. Then here we have the start. So to have a perfect example, we have start here. Then using the perspective tool, you can see, you can make it sit well on the road, something like it's inscribed on the road. Can you see start? Then bring it here, then we rotate it. Okay, not this rotation, we rotate it using the 3D rotation. 3D rotation. Okay, not this again. Okay. Okay, that means we have to do the what do we call it, the perspective, use the perspective tool again. We use the perspective tool again, then by doing this, so you do that with your perspective. We all know how an image should sit on a road. If you are, for instance, if you are throwing a paper on the floor, you know how it sits, how your face will make the one nearer to you wide, and the one far to you will be somehow what do you call it, somehow tiny. So can you see what we've done? Then for instance, you can bring in an image of someone running. So we'll import the image now. Okay, not this image of man running. Okay, yes, this is it. We have it here. Let me erase this watermark from photo room. So as you can see, you can have the image here. Then what do we add? We add shadow, color, black. Then perspective tool, we use perspective tool to widen it. So let's turn it back. Perspective tool, then show it. Then reduce the opacity. After doing this, then you rotate it to where the can you see. Then afterwards, you bring a normal shadow, then you put it underneath its leg, so that it will not look like it's floating. Black, then copy again, black, then you bring him forward. So can you see? So with the perspective tool, we'll be able to achieve this design. You can still copy more to make it more darker, more darker. Yep. Yes. Can you see now? So with this perspective tool, we'll be able to achieve this design. So you can also try using the perspective tool in any way you can. and send the design to me. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Have a nice day ahead.